Hey guys! So, today we are doing an M&M video. As you can see, we went to where?
M&M World.
Yeah, so we bought a few of things and I just wanted to show you it. But the first thing, the main thing we're going to talk about and play with is going to be the M&M dispenser.
Yes.
So, let's get started.
Ooh.
So guys, we have here the M&Ms, and here we have the giant bag. So, and now what is this?
The dispenser. This is the best dispenser ever.
We have here the M&M dispenser. And we have a few little bit of things. We're going to show it to you right now. We have an M&M card. It's actually a dispenser. Yeah, so it's actually a
Comment down below, how do we work this?
Yeah, actually I don't know how to work it.
Here.
But here we have the M&M card dispenser, but we don't know how to work it. So comment down below and tell us how to work with it. Thanks if you comment down below. Okay, and here we just have
A blanket.
Yeah?
Which, this is actually the blanket that we put you on.
The M&M blanket.
Show them how does it look like.
Yeah, so here we have the M&M blanket right here, which is very cool, I think. So let's get started with the huge dispenser.
Here's the green.
So, first thing we're gonna put in the colors. I'm gonna do red and yellow, but now you're gonna do blue and green.
Okay.
So we're gonna fill them up. Oh my God! Here we have
try it.
Wait, no, wait, not right now. Here we have the M&M dispenser. Are you kidding me?
I want to try the green. 1, 2. Oh, yum.
Okay, I'm gonna try the red one. So I feel like you put your hand down and then you pull it. Yep. So here we have some red M&Ms. And when you go to the store, they they have every pile of M&Ms alone. They don't have all of them mixed together. So you can put in the dispensers. Look how cool it looks. Eat some. It's been so long since I've had an M&M. Yeah, and as I told you, comment down below if you know how to work this dispenser. I have no idea. So it's actually been very fun going to Orlando.
We're in our resort now. We're eating because we're hungry.
Red M&Ms, yellow M&Ms, green M&Ms, blue M&Ms. This looks so cool. I love it. And dispensers. Yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. That was it for this video. I know it's very short, but what do we gotta do? Okay, so here we have the M&M dispenser, and if you want to buy it, it's in Florida Mall in Orlando, Florida, in the Florida Mall. Yeah, there's a big shop called the M&M's World. So if you want to buy it, you can go there. They have a bunch of stuff. So guys, we'll see you in the next video if we have one. So guys, bye. Bye.
It brings a day.